Where's your mommy, baby?
Work.
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 How about your daddy? More work.
More work.
Car.
Oh, more car?
Motor.
Yes. Oh.
Motor.
Ate, car. You see a more car, ate?
Motor.
Oh, where's your mommy and daddy? Where's your mommy and daddy?
Work.
Ah, sorry. Tinatanong ko lang.
Motor.
You like cars? You like cars?
No.
No?
Daddy.
Huh?
Motor.
Ay, baka sabi ni, ay ano, baka more work. Ah, watch that.
Go work your daddy. Yeah, I know. Your daddy's working.
To buy cars or no? To buy cars? More.
No, to buy more cars. Waving.
We're waving. We're waving. Ah, what's the, ano daw, meaning of that? Ah, nagsasign language.
Count ka. You count. 1 to 10. 1.
Sama. You see that? Summer? No? Oh my God! Ah! What is the sound of a dog? What is the sound of snake? Snake. Yeah, very good.
Lizard.
Lizard daw. What is the sound of lizard?
Frog.
But lizard.
How about the frog, baby?
What's that? What's animal is that? Snake.
Seven in.
How old are you, Summer?